trophy race. Away they go. Royal Jewel, Miss Manila Spellbinder, Treasure Act in the middle, Good Humor rushing up Mr. Saber, and May Bukas pa. Mr. Saber by a length, followed by Royal Jewels, Treasure Act on the further outside is Good Humor. May Bukas pa, Danori inside running in 6-2, a Spellbinder, Miss Manila. And Golden Class as they round the 3/4 mile distance. Mr. Saber by a neck, followed by Good Humor in second, and racing third is Royal Jewels alongside Treasured Act. May Bukas pa is running in fifth by Darrell alongside Spellbinder, Miss Manila, and Golden Class. Passing the half-mile post, Mr. Saber by a neck, and Good Humor on the outside, rushing up May Bukas pa. Spellbinder, Treasured Act, and Royal Jewels, Miss Manila. Rounding the far turn, Mr. Saber, this time by a length and a half, Good Humor. May Bukas pa, Spellbinder on the outside, and Miss Manila. As they race the last 500, Mr. Saber, followed by Good Humor, Spellbinder, May Bukas pa, Miss Manila, Royal Jewels. As they race the final corner, Mr. Saber, this time by about 2 lengths, followed by May Bukas pa. And moving around the outside, Spellbinder, Miss Manila, Good Humor, and Royal Jewels. Mr. Saber, Spellbinder, May Bukas pa. And nearing the finish line, number 2, Mr. Saber, 2A Spellbinder, May Bukas pa, Royal Jewels, Good Humor. Number 4, Treasured Act, Miss Manila.